Hey everyone, welcome to Data Millennials. I'm Atul and I'm super excited to talk about the LTRIM function in today's video. So in one of our videos, we have discussed about RTRIM function in SQL, which basically removes the right hand side white spaces or all the spaces, extra spaces from the right hand side. Similar to RTRIM, this LTRIM function removes the extra spaces also, but the only difference is that this LTRIM function removes the extra spaces from the left hand side. So this LTRIM function removes all the extra spaces or the space character, or you can say the white spaces from the left hand side of a particular string. So most often what happens is that whenever you receive a data in your table, you either have spaces, extra spaces present in the names, and you need to remove it in order to get the actual name. And then you can use this left trim function to remove all the extra spaces from the left hand side. So let's go and see how we can use this. So I have this table subscriber base, and I will check if there is any extra spaces in the left hand side of the first name or not. So let's run this query, which is select star from email data dot subscriber base. And now what I will do is that I'll simply select first name, and then I will check the length of this first name. So in order to check that whether we have any extra spaces in the left hand side of our string, what we can do is that we can check length of the string first, and then after using the LTRIM we can check the length of that string again. So we'll put the original first name there, then we'll check the length of the first name, then we will use LTRIM function for this first name, and then we will check the length of the LTRIM function for that first name. So I'll just copy this LTRIM and I'll put it here. Now if I run this query, I am getting first name as a column and the length of the first name is 7. Then I have used the LTRIM function over the first name. So ideally the LTRIM function would remove all the left hand side spaces and then the length of this particular string. So you can see in my table I don't have any names which have any extra spaces in their left. Thus the length of the first name as well as the length of the LTRIM first name remains same, right? So this is how basically you can use this LTRIM function, and this LTRIM function is mostly used when you have any kind of extra spaces in your string and you want to remove it. Now if you want to understand or learn more about SQL, you can click on the right hand side of this video, or you're interested in Excel, then you can click on the left hand side of this video. Happy learning and see you in the next video.